Merry Christmas, guys. Jason here in my garage, and about a month ago I made a video mentioning that I'm giving away free Armor Shield ceramic coating kits and told y'all how to enter. And as I mentioned in that video, I've been using Armor Shield for over 3 years on all my cars, dollar for dollar. Best value I found in a DIY, no BS ceramic coating with great customer service and an awesome warranty. And today I'm wearing a Santa hat because I'm going to announce the winners and give 5 of them away. Now, before I announce the winners, I do want to say that if you entered but you don't win, I'll be doing this again in the spring of 2022, so be sure to subscribe for updates so you can stay tuned for another chance to win. And of course, if you don't want to wait that long and you want to get your hands on an Armor Shield ceramic coating kit right now, just hit the link below, use my special coupon code JasonsGarage25 at checkout, save $25 off your order, nice and easy. So, now, I got a stocking right here, and I got the winners inside. Here we go. Pulling the first one out right now. First winner, Robert P. Second winner, Stanley Z. Third winner, Joe. Didn't leave a last name when they entered the contest, but based on the email address, I gotta think Joe has a Corvette. And the fourth winner, Chris L. And the fifth winner, John H. So congratulations to the winners of this giveaway, but there's more. I'm actually going to pick 10 more entrants just completely at random and send out some Jason's Garage sticker packs for you. Now, I'll be reaching out to all the winners via email so I can get your shipping addresses. Now, I really want to thank everybody who entered, and of course, congratulations again to the winners. I hope everybody has a great holiday season and a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in my next video here in Jason's Garage.